Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last lecture we saw how to merge by using a single key. In this lecture we'll see how we can accomplish merging by using multiple keys. For that, let's create a couple of data frames. So merging with multiple keys. Let's create two data frames. The first one, we'll save it in a variable called left. So pd.dataFrame. I just copied this from our previous lecture. We have key1, and then for values, we'll pass a list containing k0, k0, k1, and k2. And then a second key and value combo. We have A, and then values A0, A1, A2, and A3. Another key and value combo, B, value B0, B1, B2, and B3. Let's pass a key2 key and value combo. So we'll try to merge two data frames on key1 and key2. So those will be our multiple keys. For that, let's pass a list containing k0, k1, k0, and k1. k0, k1, k0, and k1. Okay, that looks good. Let me copy the right data frame that we created from the previous lecture. Let me paste it here. So write pd.dataFrame. K1 will have elements k0, k1. Let's make this k1 and k2. And then another key is C, value C0, C1 to 3, and D, D0, 1, 2, and 3. Let's create one more key and value combo. So key2, and for values we'll pass, let's pass K0 for all the elements. K0, 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 and K0. Okay, now we have our two data frames. So if we call our left data frame, we have columns AB, key1, and key2. And then our right data frame, we have CD, key1, and key2. So we'll merge these two data frames on key1 and key2. So let's do that. pd.merge, and we'll pass our left data frame, which is the first data frame, and the right data frame, which is the second data frame. How are we merging it? We are merging it on keys key1 and key2. So we'll pass the on argument. Then we pass key1 and key2. So take a moment and think what the result will be. So what this will do is, so look at the left data frame. The first key1 and key2 combo is what? K0 and K0. Do we have that in the right data frame? Let's see. Yes, K0 and K0. So it will merge those two. So the first row will be A0, B0, Q1 and Q2 columns will have K0, K0, and then C0 and D0. That will be the first row. Okay, let's look at the second Q1 and Q2 combo. It's K0 and then K1. Do we have that in the second data frame? In the right data frame, do we have K0 and then K1 as Key1 and Key2? No. Okay, so there will be no merge for that. Okay, let's look at the next Key1 and Key2 combo. Here we have K1 and K0. Do we have that combo in the right data frame? K1 and K0? Let's see. Okay, we have two of them, right? One is here, K1 and K0, K1 and K0. So we'll get two rows for that. One for this, and then another one for this. Okay. The last one, the last Key1 and Key2 combo is K2 and K1. Do we have that in the second data frame? No. Okay, so the resulting data frame will have 3 rows. Let's run it and verify. Yeah, so we have 3 rows. The first combo, Key0, Key0, and the second and third, Key1, K1, K0, K1, K0. Right? So that's how we do a merge using multiple keys. Okay, let's repeat this example and change the values for our keys. Okay, so we have our left data frame, we have our right data frame here. So let's change some of the Key1 and Key2 combo. Okay, let's make this K0. What else shall we change? I think that should be good. Okay, let's run it. Now let's see our result. So PD dot, okay. Let's first see our left and right data frames. Now let's do the combo pd.merge. Then we're merging the left and right data frames on both Key1 and Key2. Key1 and then Key2. Okay, let's see what we get now. So in the first data frame we have K0 and K0. We have that in the right data frame too. Okay, we'll get 1 row for that. The second Key1 Key2 combo is K0 and K1. We don't have that in the second data frame, so let's go to the next Key1 and Key2 combo. We have K1 and K0. We have 2 of them in the second data frame, so we'll get 2 rows. Okay, so far we have 3 rows, and the last Key1 and Key2 combo is K2 and K0. Do we have that in the right data frame? Yes. So we have K2 and K0 also. So we'll get 4 rows in this case. So if we run this, we get 4 rows. Great. So this is how we do a merge by using multiple keys. And in the next lecture, we'll look at the how argument. So let's scroll up and then see what we learned in the previous lecture. So in our merge, we can pass various arguments, and one of the arguments is how. So far we saw left, right, and on. And in the next lecture, we'll see the how argument. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.